Good morning, guys. It's very early in the morning. Well, kind of early. It's 8 o'clock right now, and I gonna have a DMV test. Don't mind my dog over here, just driving me crazy. She's been so energized in the morning. I don't know why. So this is what I'm gonna wear today. How they say 50 shades of blue. Honestly, now when I think about it, I don't think it's a good idea because the background is actually also blue. I will try to vlog as much as I can today, and I'm sorry if it won't be enough because obviously I can't vlog when I'm driving, but... Alright guys, you can't actually tell, but I already back home and I passed my test! Yay! Oh, that was so stressful. I mean... Hey! What you doing? That was stressful. First of all, it took me a lot of time, a lot of waiting, although I had a driver's instructor with me, and we actually made an appointment. And the girl who was sitting next to me while I was driving, I mean, I wouldn't say she's a... but she was a nice person, that's what I'm gonna say. I mean, she looks like it. I don't know if actually she's nice or not, but she didn't look happy. And I did one mistake. I didn't put my light when I was parking, but in general, I passed it. Yay! I'm gonna celebrate some sushi tonight, my favorite place. Gonna go to the Bluefish. And sorry that I couldn't film any of it, but honestly I was so nervous, so I couldn't even take my camera out. Okay, well, I officially can drive. The only thing I have to do is actually buy a car. Oh, I look awful actually. So I actually am at Jorge's house right now, and we're going to get some... Oh, that's so sunny. Gosh. So we're gonna get some ingredients for the barbecue tomorrow. Yay! We are going to my voice, Broward Meat and Fish, to get some meat, maybe lamb, probably lamb. Yep. Yay! Good morning, guys. Today is actually the next day. I'm sorry I couldn't vlog yesterday's sushi and everything. We went to eat sushi in the nighttime, but my camera went off, so yeah. Never forget to charge my camera, as you see. So I'm gonna do some breakfast now, and we will try to build actually our barbecue machine, grill machine, how you call it. Anyway, I think you got the idea. So we will try to build it now, and we're gonna go. And we're here. That is an awesome park, honestly. So many places. Looney, hi, you like it? Come on. So there's a special bench for making barbecue. Oh my god, I love USA for that. And the fireplace, but we brought our own barbecue, so we don't actually need it. Nice. We'll be catching Pokemon. and we're gonna go all the way over there by the water. I mean, it's not bad. It's not the same though, but it's not bad. That's fine. Oh my god, guys, the meat is amazing. Honestly, that's the best meat I ever tried. I mean, look at that. Look at this. Oh god. Then we have some veggies and we're gonna put a lamb shoulder. So yeah, that's basically my first barbecue in States. I think successful. Is it good? Even Luna enjoying barbecue, huh? Do you like it? She loves it. We actually have chance to meet a wildlife in here. Oops. It says, do not approach, feed alligator snakes. Yeah, right. If I just gonna go and share my barbecue with alligator, no thank you. I don't know if you can actually hear me because of the wind. Alright, we have party going on over there with the birds. Look at that. Just eating my food with no shame. That's funny. These trees remind me of the... I don't know if you actually see this cartoon. It's I think it's from Disney. It's about elves or dwarves or something like that. So it was like a bad spirit and it tried to eat the forest, and the elves and the humans, they start to fight together against this monster and they end up to put this spirit inside the tree, which looks like this tree. Exactly. So if somebody knows what I'm talking about, please let me know in the comments below. Look at that, guys. That's a lamb shoulder steak. Yum. Bird, do you mind? Yum. All right. really tired and it's really dark outside already. So what I can say, I had a nice day and I hope you like it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I guess I see you in my next one. Bye!